You might not be sure what you're seeing here, but it's two new lights from ZHIYUN.
This is a CineD Gear News video, supported by B&H and CVP.
Hi everybody, I'm Nino from CineD here at NAB 2023. I'm here at the ZHIYUN booth with Ryan. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good indeed. You have a very busy booth here, and actually we're talking about something that we already showed in Japan. My colleague Johnny exposed two prototype lights that you introduced, the Molus X100 and G60. Yeah. But now they are in production. We actually just spent a little bit of time unpacking a fresh box of those two, or two fresh boxes of those two. So let's go through the features of both lights again, because I think some people might not have seen the video. And then I'll also talk about who they are for, why you made them, and what all the accessories are.
Okay. Yeah, so as the name of these products indicate, so X100 means its maximum power is 100 watts. So you can see within this really small and compact design, it can output 100 watt. It's really crazy and incredible for a product like this. So when it is marketed, people are really surprised and impressed by the power it can have. And speaking of the power, we can see this design is more like some people will say it looks like a mirrorless camera. And I think they are right. Because why? Because we want this product to be as portable and can be on the go like a mirrorless camera, which whether we are shooting outdoors and switching from place to place, the power to light is really important. You need some cinematic effects to your video, but light is really important. So
this form factor actually allows it to put you in your camera bag, right, easily, and still have a lot of output.
Yeah. As you can see this as a whole, but you can attach it, detach it. So this is really just a palm size. Yeah, it's really small. So this is why it's really compact.
And what's really interesting is that it really looks like a camera. I wouldn't look into that if you switch it on. It's very bright. We tried it and we will see it in the B-roll. But this whole back, the entire thing is like a big fan to keep it cool, right?
Yeah. So this big fan is also one of our secret technology, which is why we are able to keep this product so compact. You know, this Dynavolt technology employs the air fluid dynamics and a gyro algorithm to make this more efficient in prevent the overheating. And what's more important is that although the fan is working when you are using the light, but it will produce very seldom sound. So it will not interfere with your shooting. So
it's very quiet.
Yeah, it's very quiet.
So this is a bicolor light, right? I saw that there's a big range of Kelvin that you can adjust.
Yeah, you can arrange from 2700 to 5600 Kelvin. Yeah.
And this battery, that's a custom battery?
Oh yes, this will be in our combo package. This is for a more portable supply of power to this light.
Can I attach mains power to this as well?
Yeah, you can use, except from this, you can use PD faster charging, DC power charging.
Great. So this battery that comes in the package, if I use it as full power, the light, how long would it last?
It will last around 30 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not bad. Yeah.
You see, we used to just use power bank and a Type-C to charge our phone. Yeah, but now you can charge the light. It's very convenient. Yeah. So that is the concept of a portable. For everyone can do this, for one-man crew.
So you can really do this on the go, also recharge it.
Yes. Yeah.
So, but what's really cool, we've seen a lot of small lights before. Yeah. I think what we have not seen so far so much is actually a mount in the front of it to attach all different kind of light modifiers. So this is kind of amazing. So the mount you have here, is this something you created because I don't think it's an industry standard, right?
Yeah. So the concept is that we are trying to make it portable. So as you can see, the mounting here is smaller than the regular Bowen mount to be compatible with this body of the X100. So yeah, so make it small. People are really impressed by how adorable they are because there are a lot of comments in the internet saying, "Oh, it's so adorable," and I can believe it. It's so cute, so mini. Yeah, people love it. And also for all those people who are accustomed to using the Bowen mount, we have this adapter.
That's really cool.
So when you attach to here, you can attach any other accessories to this Bowen mount.
That's amazing. So you can use all kinds of big lighting modifiers actually that are existing on the market on this really small light.
Yeah. Yes, you can show them this one is actually.
Yeah, we are using one here. You don't see it in this shot, but we will show it as a B-roll. We're actually using one of these lights to light the both of us with a lantern modifier. And it looks amazing, and it's just running from a battery. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, so we have the Bowens mount, we have this light, but there's another light that you also introduced. I mean, this is a different modifier. That's a dome.
It's a softbox.
A softbox for this. But there is a different light which has the same mount, but a different form factor. So what is this?
Oh, this one is the Molus G60. As you can see, its maximum power is 60 watts. Yeah, and also it's palm sized, like a QB.
So what's the thought process of making two small lights with a very different form factor? Like, who would you think uses this and who uses this?
Oh yeah. So for X100, the power decides that it can be used for like professional commercial TVC commercial shooting or some even feature film shooting. Yeah. But for the 60 watts, is for people with lesser demand on the power of light, like YouTubers, vloggers, streamers, in the different kind of circumstances. Even when you are just traveling with your friends, you need some light to lighten up your images at the dark or in some. It's helpful.
Get a small key light, basically.
Yeah, it's helpful.
So how is the G60 powered?
This one can be powered also by Type-C and also by DC power. Yeah.
So this one needs external battery. For this one, we use a power bank. A normal phone power bank actually just powers that light up here. So that makes it flexible. Is this also a bicolor light?
Yes, it's the same as the X100. It ranges from 2700 to 5600 Kelvin.
Okay. We unpacked, actually, before we started shooting, we unpacked fresh boxes. Both of them come in a nice little pouch. And they do come with some of those accessories. So which accessories are included with which light?
So for X100, it includes combo. It includes this mini reflector, this softbox, and also this Bowen mount adapter. And for the G60, it comes with this diffusion dome and also Bowen adapter and also a tripod. Yeah.
Let's just one last question. How did you come up with this idea? Like, what was the thought process behind this?
Thank you. This is a really good question. As you know, we used to produce gimbals, and we try to make gimbals more compact, such as those cell phone gimbals and the mirrorless camera gimbals, like Crane M3S, Crane M3, which is really popular in the market because of its compact and portability for the filmmakers or content creators to be more flexible while traveling, while switching from places to places. So we have accumulated these technologies in gimbals, and we find it can be transplanted to the lighting. First of all, we find that in achieving a cinematic filmmaking effect, not only the movements are important, but also the lighting is really important.
Yeah.
It elevates the texture of your content. So that's why we think lighting is also important, but we don't want you to be restricted by the cumbersomeness of the traditional large lights that you have to carry with a lot of people. We want you to achieve all of those things just by one-man crew. So that is why we thought about portable videography with our gimbal and these lights, so you can pack just so easily in your bag and take it out so easily. Yeah.
I think it's smart. It's a good niche. I mean, we have seen small lights from other manufacturers, but I think that was already some years ago, and not much has happened in this space. Most of the others that only do lights, they make now bigger and bigger and bigger LED lights. And you focus again on innovating with the small lights, which is nice, because I think there is still a lot to be done.
Yeah. Speaking of that, I think the key to this portability is that we do have some unique technology, which is Dynavolt technology, that we used to improve the overheating system. So that is what this makes the fan can be so small, but yet really efficient in prevent overheating. So we can improve the runtime of the light. So this is one of our key advantages in producing these portable compact lights. Yeah.
Okay, last question. Let's talk about pricing and availability of both products.
Okay, for X100 is $349 US. For the G60 is $249 US. Yeah.
Okay, and can you already buy it?
Yeah, you can buy in multiple channels, including our ZHIYUN official store, Amazon, B&H, etc.
And it's already shipping.
Yes.
Okay, great. Thank you, Ryan.
Thank you.
Have a good rest of the show, and talk soon again. And thanks everybody for watching. Stay tuned to CineD for a lot more from NAB 2023. And if you are not subscribed yet to our channel, hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon next to it so you get notifications for new videos. Thank you.